we have a package from Filterwares. This is a proud partner and sponsor of ours. This just came in the mail today. We're going to open this up.
Filterwares, thank you for partnering up with us, and we're extremely excited to see what products we just got in from you guys. Check them out on their website.
Every Being Built member and everyone seeing this will get a discount. Check that in the description.
All right.
Awesome.
So John, what do we have here?
Okay, so Filterwares really hooked us up. Oh, sick. Okay, awesome. So we asked them for some stickers because we want to rep them. So thank you for the stickers. We're definitely going to have these on the 240.
Awesome.
Thank you. So what I asked for was this awesome universal pre-filter. And what this is going to allow us to do is protect our air filter from all like debris, grime, dirt. Also, it is water deflective, I believe is the term that they use. Resistant. So basically, like the water is not going to go into your air filter, which then leads into your engine. We don't want to have a hydro-locked car. And then we also asked for was, instead of having it in a preformed shape that goes over our filter, we're going to have these different sheets here that basically we're going to be using for other little things. We have like the little filter that we're going to be putting this over, and we can't wait to show you what we're going to be using this for. So shout out to Filterwares. We can't wait to show you all how we use these products. So Filterwares is an amazing made in the US product. Okay, they make these amazing pre-filter fabrics that are also either pre-shaped into the size that you need, or you can also buy these sheets for other little projects that you have for your car, for your boat, for your ATV. The list goes on and on. That's the awesome thing about this company. It's not just focused on automotive, but they're also focused on so many different paths of adventure. So this is the sheets that you could buy also. This is going to be very useful. We have a couple of different projects that we're going to be showing you all how we're going to be using this product. So you see, it's super thin but super durable. And the awesome part about that is that we're able to fit this to what we need it. And also it allows our filters to breathe properly, because a lot of filters on the market right now are very thick and clumsy, so it doesn't allow your filter to really breathe. Also, what this is allowing is for grime and water and all those different things to not go into your filter, and we don't want that going into our engine. So shout out to Filterwares, amazing product. We can't wait to run this on our 240.
Check them out. Show you that it's waterproof and how it works. So here's the product. I have a cup of water, and I'm just going to put it right on top as if it's raining or any type of water got on top. See how it beads up? It's not going to actually go into the filter. It's going to stay beaded up. All right, so we had to order a little air filter for John's 240. So cute. We're actually gonna go hook this up today and right now. All right, so Filterware, we're actually going to show how the product works and how we're actually going to put this over this little air filter. All right, so this is our first time actually trying out this product with a little air filter where it's just one sheet that we have to cut out and fit onto the filter. So we're going to we're going to fast forward the video, and we're going to show you how it works and what it looks like. All right, so this is what it looks like once we put that sheet of filter right on top. We cut it and just...
Alrighty, so now we're going to take off the factory air box so that we can get a lot less restriction on the air. This will probably be a lot of work because these are all recorded, but what do you get for a 30-year-old car? So we'll get the job done.
right, so right now John and I are shaving off a few things that are unnecessary. We just took off one bracket here, and we're taking off this bracket right now.
So that holds the air box, and now since we don't have an air box, we don't need these. So this is the holder that holds the MAF sensor. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna carefully just sand this all down, and then we're gonna spray it a nice gloss black. The wire brush and just brush this down, then wipe it down with a little cloth. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just spray this. We put some tape over everything, especially where the MAF sensor is gonna be going. Now it's gonna be a nice gloss black. Honestly, not for nothing, this welding is amazing. Shout out to ISR. This is the nice adapter for our MAF intake. Woo! Our K&N air filter wrapped with our new Filter Wears pre-filter, and then it's attached to an ISR little plate, so then we can attach it to the stock MAF sensor. What we did was, fun fact, this piece right here, we cut it out from the original air box so that it could thread in nicely. So right now we're bending, measuring out. We basically still have to jog this piece and fold it so that it hits this bolt. So we could just drill a hole and have a nice little fitting bracket. You still have to cut right here. All in all, it's looking good. So we just made this bracket here. We just twisted a piece of metal, how it fit, painted it black to match everything. We have our awesome Filter Wears pre-filter. We're good to go. So shout out to Filter Wears. We have our awesome pre-filter on, and then we also made a little one for a little filter that goes down there, just to protect it from all the grime. Obviously you can tell there's a lot of grime coming in here. Can't wait to do the headers next. We're good to go.